solve the inequality. 5x minus 7 greater or equal to minus 17. We would solve this just like we were solving the equation. We're allowed to add positive or negative number to both sides of this inequality. So in this case, I'm going to add 7 to both sides of the inequality. We're trying to isolate x. We get 5x is greater or equal to negative 10. So if I divide both sides by positive 5, you see the direction of the equality stays the same, but I didn't divide by negative. So x would be greater or equal to negative 2. If I want to write this in interval notation, can somebody tell me how to write this in interval notation? Put the check mark in front of your name if you know it. How to write this in interval notation? Okay. Murphy, you want to go ahead and tell me how to write this in interval notation? Go ahead and click on your top button, see?
On the left side, you would have a bracket.
Okay, so let's go and graph this what it look like first. So all the numbers that are greater or equal to negative 2, right? So this would be 0, and that would be, let's say, minus 2 right there. Okay, so we want to include all the numbers greater than, so it would be to the all the numbers to the right of these, right? Okay, we'll go on with the interval notation. So you want to use, the brackets here, just like we're graphing here. So the interval notation
negative 2,
brackets,
comma,
negative
infinity,
2,
infinity,
comma, positive infinity, infinity,
parens.
Parentheses, because always the infinity would be parentheses. Very good. Thank you. Okay, so the solution set, however, is the solution set would look like this. It means all the x such that x is greater or equal to negative 2. Remember, you can go ahead and put on your talk button now when you're done talking, so then we can give the microphone to someone else. Very good. All right, so the solution set would be x such that x is greater or equal to negative 2, and this would be an interval notation if we were going to write it in interval notation.